This is my recipe for tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. First, we get fresh basil from the garden, and we chiffonade the basil. So that just means roll it up and cut it in little pieces. There we go. The smell of basil, don't you love it? So, there's our basil, fresh from the garden. I have taken the mozzarella, fresh mozzarella, and sliced it into little pieces, and tomatoes. These are vine-ripened tomatoes. Slice them just a little bit. Now, some people like to have the tomatoes caprese, and they like to put the cheese and the basil on and make it look pretty. But I like the taste, so I don't care what it looks like. So I just cut it. Put it on my plate. Oops. I put some mozzarella, cut up mozzarella on. There you go. And sprinkle it with fresh chopped basil and a teeny tiny bit of your favorite Italian dressing, fresh salt and pepper, and there is your delicious mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil.